So digitalization uses a bunch of technologies that I'm going to talk about in a future video. But using these technologies, digitalization re-engineers or creates newer processes. I will take two examples from petrochemical industry. One example is creating a new process. Another one is re-engineering an existing process. These are actually, at least in one of the projects, I was involved in one company, and the other one I read somewhere about the other company. So let's look at re-engineering a process. There is this large petrochemical company that makes all these products, and it has to ship them to clients across the globe. So their products have to go through these customs offices at various countries. How much should be the tariff is not a straightforward thing, because the customs tariff depends on bill of materials, who I am sending it to, which country I am sending it to, which season, time frame I am sending it to, what is the purpose, multiple things like that. So this company used to have experts defining their tariff on individual products. But even an expert used to make a lot of mistakes because the problem is so complicated. And it turns out that when so many complex parameters are there, human mind is not wired to handle them correctly, right? So we end up making mistakes. So they said, hey, can I re-engineer this process? So they took all the data that humans were using from the past and the correct customs tariff for each data point and fed it to a machine. The machine identified patterns and came up with a formula with which it could compute the customs tariff using all these parameters. And it turned out that the customs tariff the machine computed was much more accurate than what the human experts were doing. So they replaced their original process where the products are assessed by experts to a automated process where the product's customs tariff is predicted by the machine. Of course, the accuracy went up, the cost came down, time came down. It is re-engineering a process. Another petrochemical industry asked themselves, can I use these digital technologies to predict whether a poisonous gas would leak? Now, that they were not doing until then. Thanks to digital technologies, they wanted to see the possibility of predicting the leakage of a poisonous gas. So this is a huge petrochemical company with 150 manufacturing plants. Each plant probably has 1,000 equipment that could leak poisonous gas. So you're talking about 150,000 machines at any point of time. Let's say to predict whether a poisonous gas would leak, I need to look at 10 parameters: current, voltage, temperature, etc. So at any instance, I have to look at 150,000 times 10, 1.5 million parameters. Now, even if I collect the data once a minute and look at 24 hours or 1440 minutes of data, I'm talking of looking at billions and billions of data points in real time to detect whether there would be a leakage of a poisonous gas or not. Again, a scale of this magnitude was not feasible even 10 years back. Thanks to digital technologies, a new process of predicting the leakage of a poisonous gas and preventing it was implemented by this company. So hopefully now you understand the difference between digitization and digitalization. Digitalization involves a deep understanding of the process and business and the current issues with the process or lack of it. And hence, digital transformation, of which AI is a part, is not just a technological endeavor. Business has to roll up the sleeves and get involved. Thank you.